It's time for another episode of 5 Favorites. In this series, we pick our 5 favorite drone videos from the past month and we talk about them for a bit. No real qualifications for our selections. These are videos we liked and wanted to share with the community. Ready to jump in? Well, let's get to it. This one caught me completely off guard. We've featured drifting and chase footage before on 5 Favorites, but this one blew me away. Apparently, motorcycle tricks and close FPV footage are a pretty amazing pairing. This video honestly feels more like a stunt camera in a video game rather than real life footage. Not only is the concept great, but the editing and execution absolutely take this video a step higher. Great use of speed ramps, transitions between tricks, and use of a variety of angles. Mac FPV obviously put a ton of work into this video and the end result shows. If you're in the mood for some beachside FPV, Matthew Evans has you covered. I love how close to the waves he gets. There's no chance the quad wasn't at least a little bit damp after this flight. The small details like the spray skimming under the camera and the sun reflecting off the water totally add to the great flying. Alongside the proximity flying on the shoreline, Matthew also executes some great power loops that capture the entire flying site. I love the horizon change from city to sand to water. All in all, a great combination of flying, location, and editing that makes it feel like spring has finally arrived. This video is something completely different editing-wise. TNT FPV takes what looks like a simple flying spot and turns it into something special by manipulating the color in post-production. The end result is, as the title says, something truly artistic. Scenes like the roundabout orbits, the day-to-night color shift, and the general manipulation of color while flying makes this video a standout. However, the clean flying and solid control make the awesome effects possible and shouldn't be overlooked. If you're looking for something trippy and totally unique, you have to check this one out. Nodeva brings us some skillful and risky freestyle in a breathtaking environment. Between the canyon dives and cruising the plateau, there's tons of great scenery to admire alongside the flying. The cliffside dives and rotations to hitting bridge gaps all while over water is awesome to watch. You get a great combination of floaty freestyle cruising accompanied by some dicey maneuvers. Any mistake in the canyon sections pretty much means a sunk quad. The entire video is a fantastic showcase of great control and is definitely worth the watch. To close out winter, JZFPV put together a great set of snow clips. Powdery snow, tall trees, and great flying make for some spectacular freestyle and scenic footage. First, the cinematic shots of the powder-coated mountainside, village, and beautiful sky set the wintry tone. In addition to the scenic shots, we get some great freestyle and proximity flying. The snow cruising almost feels like a snowboarder's perspective, and the clever reverse flying edit is fun to watch. If the snow is already melted where you're at and you want one last reminder of winter, this is the video for you. And that does it for March. As always, we'll be back next month to look at April's 5 favorites. We'll see you guys next time.